Hello everyone, I'm Joyce and today is Art Day. We're going to be making our mini parking garage, which will teach our kids how to organize their toys and also how to learn to count. So how about let's try it together?
We're gonna need a cardboard lid, paper, a marker, scissors, tape, crayons, and of course our toy cars. First, let's take the paper and cut it to the same size as our cardboard lid. Perfect! Next, we'll draw the lines to divide the paper into 10 rectangles. We can divide it into 5 or 10 rectangles depending on how many toy cars you want to park in the mini garage. Let's write the numbers. My mom bought me crayons. So now we can start to draw and color our mini garage. I'm drawing a car, an umbrella, some flowers, and some shapes like triangles and circles. We can also draw some wavy lines or some squiggly lines. Our kids can be as creative as they want. To keep it simple for younger kids, we can just let them color in the rectangles and they can choose different colors for each rectangle. For older kids, we can let them draw various shapes and scribbles. Remember the 20 basic scribbles? Let's take a quick look. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can start parking our toy cars into our mini parking garage. Next, we can label each toy car with a number, which corresponds to their parking space. I've finished writing the numbers on the tape, and now we can stick them on our toy cars. Now each toy car is labeled according to their parking space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I only have 4 toy cars. Yay! Our mini parking garage is done! Now every time our kids want to play with their toy cars, they'll remember to drive it back to its parking space.
See? Our parking garage is really cool, right? It's easy, it's fun, and there's a lot of learning points for the kids. I hope that you had fun and I hope that you can also create your own parking garage at home. This is your friend Joyce signing off. See you next time. Bye!